Yeah, came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So today was day 21 and I learned more about slicing and more in pandas, and let us start. But I have copied the data from my last, but let us first import. Okay, import pandas as pd. The first and foremost thing is to import pandas. Now it is taking some time, like I have started it just now, so it will take time, I guess, to load. I think, yep, it has. Now I have copied the data from my previous video, means previous notebook, and let me just paste it. Yep, df, I have created a data frame, and let me just run it. Now if I click, if I type df1 and shift enter, now here you can see I have created a data frame. But now the thing is here, like here it has given some random means column, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 means there is no column, and suppose I want to add a column, right? So what can I do? All I have to do is here I have to add column. Column is equals to, yep, I think I'm right. Column is equals to, suppose how many there are columns, 1 2 3 4 6 columns are there, right? So let us just add a and b, then c. Oh, there are 6, right, total. Yep, I guess. Now if I shift enter, invalid syntax, invalid syntax. Oh, oh, it's columns, right? Again invalid syntax. Data frame, and immediately after data frame it has to be columns. Wait a minute, what have I done wrong? I think we should I guess we need one more bracket here. I don't know why it is not showing. Let me just check it. Okay, so there was nothing wrong, just I added these columns at the beginning, but it needs to be added at the end, I guess. That was just it. Now if I rerun df1, now here you can see it has given us the columns a b c d e and f. So the mistake was that I wrote the columns at the beginning, so we need to write it at the end. Okay, so after that, now suppose I want a particular content or a particular element. Suppose I want to take this 34 number. How I will be able to get that 34 number, right? So there is one, right? Like df1 dot ilog c, then close bracket. Now this 34 is in first row B column, right? So I can write 1 comma b है 1 comma b. Name b is not defined. How the name b is not defined? Oh, wait a minute, I'm really sorry. We need to put it in. Now it will run, I guess. It is giving value error. I don't know why. Why cannot I access self-validate key? Oh, so it is location based, right? So it is in uh, first row, means here one row, and it will be, I think, third, no, second. Now if I shift enter, 4501, so it has to be 1. So we went for 1 comma 1, 34. Okay, this is first row, first column. Means I think we should not, means we have to give a number. Okay, number of that particular row and number of that particular column. Now here this column is 0 and this B column is 1, so we have given 1, and here this 0 is row and 1 is column. Okay, let us try and see another one. df1 dot hilog third row and 0 1 2 3, third row and fourth column, 65, right? Okay, so I think this is how we should give. Now suppose I want some particular, like I want all the contents that are in A, B, C and 0 1 and 2, right? Now I can give like df1 dot I log, and now here A, so no, rows, right? So from 0 to 2, no, yep, 2, and comma we want 0 to 2 here as well. Now if I do shift enter, here you can see it has, oh, so this is one more thing. If we give 2, so it will not take that, it will just take 1 before that, right? So if you want 2, we have to give it 3 till 3. Now if I do shift enter, here you can see it has given us 0 1 2, 0 1 2. So this is how we can access some particular data. And reshape function is very important to, not reshape, it is shape function. Which gives us the information about the contents inside a data frame. Now this is small, so we won't be having any problem like knowing, but when we will be having large data frames, that time we will need this d1.shape function to know the exact size of data. That's all for today. Thank you.